Ready to supercharge your Android apps with code from the entire world? Okay, let's dive into how to bring GitHub code into your Android Studio projects. First, open Android Studio and either create a new project or open an existing one. This is the foundation. Next, head over to GitHub and find the repository containing the code you want to use. Look closely, you'll often find a clone or either HTTPS or SSH. Copy this URL. This link lets Android Studio know which code to bring in. Now, back in Android Studio, if you are just importing a library, use the option in Android Studio that allows you to get the external stuff that you're adding into your code and paste that cloned URL you copied. This is the most common way. Android Studio will then work its magic, using its dependency management system to bring the code straight into your project. It's like a code teleportation device. Android Studio's Gradle, specifically, handles this. Gradle will download the code or arrange things for you. Once the sync completes, you'll usually see the new code integrated into your project's file structure. You can now access the classes, libraries, and resources from the GitHub repository. Just like any other part of your project, think of it as your Android project suddenly gaining superpowers. Now, you can start using the code, explore the imported files, and discover or review how the external code works now as part of your Android app. Time to explore. Remember, code integration can seriously elevate your Android projects, so go ahead, add the power of GitHub to your app development. Happy coding!